this is Molly and welcome to my channel. This video is about using the free tool Google Trends to do your market research. Before we get started, hit the subscribe button and the bell to get notified. Give this video a thumbs up, comment below, share it, and we're good to go. Let's head over to your browser and type trends.google.com and we're good to go. We're now going to explore what the world is searching for. Let's say that you're a coach like me and you want to start and grow a business with coaching as the main theme. I'm going to look for lifestyle coaching. I'm very interested in lifestyle and health. So let's see here. Let's switch this from United States to worldwide, because I want to look at the worldwide trend in the past 12 months. And I'm keeping all the categories here because I don't want to narrow the filters too much yet. Here you can easily see that lifestyle coaching is searched for over the past 12 months. It's fairly steady in the line. And let's look at 5 years from now and on and see whether this topic has increased in interest. It's fairly stable. It's been around for a while. Coaching is really starting to mature. Let's compare this to professional coaching. Lifestyle coaching is blue, professional coaching is red. So in the past 5 years, more people have been looking for professional coaching than lifestyle coaching. Right, I'm very interested in professional coaching as well. I've been coaching a lot of leaders out there over the years. Let's see how it's been trending in the past year. Fairly stable. All right, so now I know that more people out there on the internet are looking for professional coaching rather than lifestyle coaching. So if I'm thinking where to put my focus, initially at least in my business, it should probably be professional coaching. Let me try one more search phrase here, keyword phrase, because I think executive coaching is interesting too. It becomes yellow, and look at that. More people are searching for the yellow line, the executive coaching, than the other two. Executive coaching really outperforms the other two terms. Let's look at the data below. Here we're comparing the breakdown by region, and the interest in lifestyle coaching is clearly visible in both Europe and the Americas. We can look at professional coaching. It's around as well in those places, also in India and Australia. And we'll look at executive coaching, even broader around the world, depending on your target audience. Where is your target audience? What we're doing here is that we're finding out what's searched for so that we can tap into the desire of our target audience. So this gives you an idea of what is rising, what is on top, what is trending related to the area that you're interested in. So now you have the words, the phrases, you have the information, you know where in the world people are searching for this, and that is your first step in your market research with Google Trends. So that's it. Subscribe, hit the bell button to get notified, give this a thumbs up, share, comment below, and I'll answer all your questions. Good luck with your market research. Check out my other videos about target audience, niching down, and other tips and tricks on how to start and grow your business when you're a beginner. And all the best until I see you in the next one.